don't think we have spring break anymore, but maybe we can institutionalize that at FabFitFun.
Well, your kids have it.
Yeah, I know, but that's not fair. Good, yes, they're living a much better life than I am, but it's fine.
Hi everyone, you're watching a close-up on customization 4 in the FabFitFun Spring Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Tasha. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing at FabFitFun, and today I'm joined by our co-founder and editor-in-chief, Katie Kitchens. Thank you so much for joining us.
I'm so excited. I love talking products.
Yes. And we are deep diving on all of the products that you can choose from in this customization. If you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show, so let's get into it. First up, we have the Moroccanoil hand cream in Ambre Noir or Oud Mineral.
So obviously Moroccanoil is best known for their hair products, but you may not know they have equally amazing body products. What I love about Moroccanoil is how good everything smells. So now it's not just your hair, but your hands. It's super rich, fast absorbing, and it's formulated with argan oil, which is rich in antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, to really attract and lock in moisture, squalene to help smooth and soften skin, and a really rich blend of cocoa and shea butters to help increase moisture and strengthen the skin barrier. So good.
I've talked about it before, but I have eczema on my hands, so I am always looking for a good hand lotion. I love the ones from MUAH-VE, but this one I just tried and I actually really like it because when you first put it on, you definitely can feel those oils. It's nice and silky, but that absorbs down, and then it really has helped my eczema and dry skin.
I love it, and they do say that your hands are what age you the most, so you gotta keep them moisturized, keep them youthful. Love this.
Next, we have the 8 Other Reasons set of 5 beaded bracelets. I'm actually wearing them right now.
You look fantastic.
Thank you.
So 8 Other Reasons is one of our all-time favorite jewelry brands. They have a ton of amazing accessories. They're huge on Revolve and Shopbop, super trend forward. So this is a set of 5 beaded bracelets. They're super stretchy, so if you have a tiny wrist or maybe a bigger one, they're still really comfortable. They measure about 3 inches in length, so they really fit on everybody's wrist, but they're super stackable. They can obviously be worn alone as a great set, but you can also stack them with other metals, bracelets, etc.
I've been looking for something like this. I really like that if you want sort of a more understated look, you could do even just one, but you can just pick however many you want, and it just really gives that good base for the rest of your arm stack. And you have quite the arm stack going on.
I have all of the arm stacks, and I don't ever take them off, but these are really comfortable, so if you wear them to work out, they stay on, which is great.
Yes. Next, we have the BEAUTOLOGY Lab 24 karat gold collagen eye masks. This comes in a set of 10 pairs.
Yes, it's amazing. It is such a great find. So they help to visibly improve elasticity, puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines and wrinkles. As you mentioned, it comes with 10 packs, which is so much value, and they are all about showcasing really beautiful, natural, science-backed, non-toxic ingredients. I love these guys if you're a little stressed, if you're tired. It's the secret to looking like you just had a really wonderful night's sleep.
What I like to do is it comes in this little tray that has some serum on it, and I like to take the extra serum and kind of just work it all around the eye area, so you're not even just getting underneath, but actually all around.
Yes, that is such a good secret. You never want to lose any of that beautiful serum, so after you take your eye masks off, you want to make sure you soak it all up.
And it has real 24 karat gold in this.
We're very fancy.
Yeah, it's very luxe. Next, we have the Volition 2-piece facial fitness kit. This comes with an eye depuffer and a face sculptor.
Yes, fitness isn't just for the gym. This is a facial fitness kit that's really meant to help sculpt and soothe your face. There's 2 different lovely tools. It helps to actually enhance your skincare. So, you know, all of the serums and moisturizers that you are already using, this just helps to boost all of that absorption. And a little pro tip that I will say, I love to put these guys into the freezer for a few minutes before using them. So it just gives you that really lovely, cooling, refreshing effect. So good.
Okay, so we use these with a serum.
You can do either, right? You can either use it before you put on your serum or actually to help the application.
And are we using it sort of like a gua sha?
Yes, this is very important. You always want to go up when you're using these tools. You want to lift the face, not bring it down.
Got it. Next we have the KitchenAid Fine Grater.
So I will say this was a little bit of a controversial product selection, but I am obsessed with this microplane. So KitchenAid, obviously a brand that FabFitFun members love, so we're really excited to bring them back in this incredibly useful tool. If you want to grate any hard cheese or garlic, or if you love to zest like I do, I actually think a little lemon zest or orange zest goes so far in all of your recipes. It's made from really durable stainless steel. It has an ergonomic handle, say that twice, and it's dishwasher safe for really easy cleanup, but I use it all of the time. Once you start using it, it's really hard to go back.
So I unfortunately have given up dairy, so I am not doing cheese, but I will be using it for garlic.
Garlic and all of your zesting options. And I will say the nice thing about using a microplane with garlic is that it gets it to you a really fine consistency that helps infuse that lovely garlic flavor into all of your cooking.
Next we have the Bala Bangles Capsule Sliders.
So we always want to make sure that we put our fit into FabFitFun. So these capsule sliders are a great addition to all of your at-home workouts or on the go. From squats or lunges, there's all kinds of different variations that really just enhance any move that you're already doing. So yoga, aerobics, Pilates, core training, it's all really just enhanced every time you include sliders into the equation.
And these kind of give you an effect like you're on a reformer,
That's
even when you're at
exactly
home. Or if you're traveling, I love how easy these are to pack. You know, you could take your resistance bands and then pack in some sliders. You can get a full workout, and the color matches back to something else that we have in the spring box.
And I love that it is this beautiful, fun green that just feels so spring to me.
Next, we have the Londontown Galentine's Nail Bundle.
Okay, so for many of you, more is more. So I love that this set comes with so many different components. It has 2 full-size lacquers in this really pretty pink that is perfect for Valentine's Day. It has a glass nail file as well as a dot and detail tool if you do like doing any of that fun Valentine's Day nail art.
I really love using additional choice for gifting, and I think this is so cute as a Galentine's gift or Valentine's gift. This just is so cute. Or for yourself if you want to have, you know, a really adorable design.
100%, and it's a gift that you feel good about gifting because it's free from 21 potentially harmful chemicals that makes you just feel good about the products that you're putting on your body.
Yes, and I'm really trying to pay attention to that. Next we have the Beia Bikini and Body Scrub.
Yes, so we are here for this super versatile full body scrub. So whether you're doing your arms, your bikini, even your booty, this is a great find. It has a nice combination of both physical and chemical exfoliation, and it really helps to buff away dead skin cells. If you get any of this sort of like dry arm skin like I do, it's great for preventing ingrown hairs because obviously we're wearing our bathing suits for all of our lovely spring break travel, although I don't think we have spring break anymore, but maybe we can institutionalize that at FabFitFun.
Well, your kids have it.
Yeah, I know, but that's not fair. Good, yes, they're living a much better life than I am, but it's fine. I get the bikini scrub, so it's great. But it is gentle enough for all of your sensitive areas, while still strong enough to help smooth any stubborn skin. I love it, another female-founded brand, and it just feels great.
I love using this before putting on a self-tan.
Yes.
Because you really want to be very well exfoliated, so I like using a physical exfoliant all over my body, get all the dead skin off, and then you get a nice base for your self-tanner.
I will say, I wish someone had told me that before my wedding, as I don't do a lot of self-tanning these days, but I would say—
No, well, you have a nice olive skin tone.
Sure, but 10 years ago, I was a heavy self-tanner, and I look quite orange in all of my wedding photos.
Well, that is what we have editing for.
That's true, there you go.
Next, we have the SACHEU Stain Peel Off Lip Liners in pink and mauve.
So this is super fun. We love bringing you new, innovative products, and these guys have been going viral on TikTok for the past year. It is actually a long wear lip liner that stays for many, many hours all day, all night. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E for super conditioning benefits, which is great because oftentimes when you are using a long-lasting liner or lipstick, it can be really drying, especially as we age. And so this guy does the magic of both the stay power and the hydration. So this is how you do it. It's a little bit unusual in terms of its application. You actually apply it just like you would a traditional lip liner, tracing along the lip line in hopefully an even layer. You leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you actually peel off the film tint to unveil like a perfect, beautiful, rosy tint.
Yeah, it is very fun. You will look a little crazy. You're gonna look like kind of the 90s style of just lined lips, but it is so fun to peel it off, and I will say it stays all day. I was wearing it yesterday, and I wore it while working out all throughout my day. I went in the sauna with it, and it was still on, and I can't say that for every liner. Sometimes liners come off, and then you try to reapply it, and then it's kind of getting a little bit like dry or crusty. This does not do that.
And you won't look crazy once you peel it off. It's just the application part that's a little bit nuts. Like when I was a teenager and would use eyeliner to line my lips like a crazy person.
Next we have a digital offer from Sterling Forever.
So this is really fun. Many of you know we've started to include digital offers in customization. So instead of picking a traditional product, you can actually get a $30 gift card. Sterling Forever is actually our top jewelry brand at FabFitFun of all time, much loved. And you can go on their site and basically shop for whatever product is getting you most excited. So great for a Valentine's Day present, a birthday, or just a little something sparkly to make you feel great.
Well, thank you for tuning in. Katie, what are you selecting in this customization?
What am I selecting? Okay, I am definitely selecting the KitchenAid.
I'm gonna do the Bala Bangles. Oh, and the stain.
Oh, also great. Okay,
yes,
love it.
And you get 2 of them.
That's true.
Yeah.
Bonus.
Tell us in the comments what you're picking. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Spring Close-Up. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.